Today's chapter is Petty Cash Book. Petty Cash Book. Here we define the Petty Cash Book. The Petty Cash Book is a recordation of petty cash expenses sorted by dates. Mostly the Petty Cash Book is an actual ledger book rather than a computer record. Thus the book is a part of a manual record keeping system. There are two primary types of entries in the Petty Cash Book, which are debit to a record cash received by a petty cash clerk, usually in a single block, and a large number of credits to reflect cash withdrawals from the fund. These credits can be for such transactions as payment of refreshment, office supplies, etc. You can see an sample of petty cash book. You can see one side receipt, date, details. Then on the other side you can see the total expenses. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns they are mentioned. You can increase them or decrease them. It depends on you. The expenses will be credited. A somewhat more useful format is record all debits and credits in a single column with a running cash balance in the column furthest to the right, as shown in the following example. This format is an excellent way to monitor the current account of petty cash remaining on hand. When the amount of petty cash on hand declines to near zero, as is caused by withdrawal for various expenses, the petty cash clerk then obtains additional cash from the cashier and does record this cash influx as a new debit. The petty cash clerk also turns in a copy of his or her petty cash book to the general ledger account or cashier, who creates a journal entry to record how the cash in petty cash drawers were used. For effective control, petty cash book is a useful control over petty cash expenditures, since it forces to formally record all cash inflows and cash outflows to ensure that this is an effective control. The petty cash book would be reviewed periodically by an internal auditor to see if the net total of amount of cash available as per the book matches the actual amount of cash on hand in the petty cash drawers. If not, the petty cash clerks may require additional training. The petty cash book has declined its importance as companies are gradually eliminating all use of petty cash in favor of using company credit cards.